my name is Chloe. I'm a mechanical engineering student at the University of Portland, and today we're actually going to be making a volcano. I grew up in Hawaii, which is an actual volcano, so this is going to be so much fun. Go ahead and grab your safety goggles, your parent supervision, and let's get to work. All the instructions and materials should be listed in the activity sheet provided. Alright, so let's get started. So first of all, we're going to go ahead and make our volcano. You can make this out of Play-Doh, but if you don't, I can show you how to make it at home. What you're going to need in order to do this part is some water, some regular cooking oil, some salt, just any kind of food coloring to make it your own. And you're going to need flour, as well as a mixing bowl to put it all in. So 6 cups of flour, 2 cups of salt, 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and 2 cups of water. Alright, so now's the fun part. You can go ahead and color it with anything, any food color you like, but I'm just going to keep it white. So now you're going to do is just use your hands and go ahead and mix it all together. So after kneading it into a ball and making sure it's all together, you kind of want to let it rest for 1 to 2 hours. If anytime you ever feel it's a little bit too dry, just add a little bit more water, just a little bit at a time. And this is the texture. It should look a little bit like this. Alright, so let's go ahead and make our volcano now. I've gone ahead and gotten some wax paper and laid it down on a pan. This is where we'll build our base. So I've gone ahead and cut out the bottom half of just a regular water bottle. And this is the base where we're going to start building our volcano around. So you can see with the Play-Doh or the clay that we made, you can just start placing it around the cup and forming it so that it can hug it. You can get really creative with this. Add some sprinkles, some sparkles, or just like add a little bit more food coloring. But yeah, so I'm going to continue building my volcano and you'll see what it is. Here's my volcano. We'd love to see what you guys have created, so please feel free to submit and send them in. When you have your volcano formed, you want to go ahead and just leave it out overnight to let it dry, or you can pop it in the oven at 225 degrees Fahrenheit for an hour and it should be good to go. Now, on to making some lava. So for the lava, you're going to want some white vinegar, some baking soda, food coloring to color your lava, and some dish soap to make it bubbly. Go ahead and measure out half a cup of vinegar, red food coloring or any food coloring of your choice, and now a teaspoon or so of some dish soap. Go ahead and give it a little bit of a mix, make sure that's all together. The baking soda, you want to measure out 1/4 cup and just place it right at the base of your volcano, inside that cup. Quick fun fact about volcanoes, you actually have 4 principal types. So you have cinder cones, stratovolcanoes, shield volcanoes, and lava domes. Can you guys name some examples of each type of volcano? Alright, let's go ahead and mix the 2 together. So here's the vinegar and the baking soda is inside. So when the baking soda and vinegar mix, this is actually called a decomposition reaction. The hydrogen ions in the vinegar react with the sodium bicarbonate in the baking soda to form 2 new chemicals. You have sodium acetate and carbonic acid. I hope you guys enjoyed this activity. Don't forget to send us your pictures. We'd love to see what you guys have created. See you in the next one. Bye!